everyone, welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I will be making KFC style fried chicken and coleslaw. So let's get into the video. First, you have to make the marination for the chicken. Add some paprika into the buttermilk. Next, Italian herb into the mixture for a great flavor. Next, add in your cumin powder, and ginger garlic paste. And some coriander powder. And then freshly ground black pepper. And salt for your taste. And half a cup of flour into the mixture and give it a good mix until everything is combined. Now pour the mixture over the chicken and let it sit for 5 hours. Next, add an all-purpose flour into the bowl, and then add in corn flour and season it with Italian herbs, freshly ground black pepper, paprika powder, and then salt, and give it a good mix. Now, after 5 hours of brushing the chicken, take it out and put it into the seasoned flour and coat it very well. The moisture of the chicken has to be absorbed by the seasoned flour. So now you have to dip it into the icy cold water. And then you have to coat again in the seasoned flour. And remember, don't press it down. Next, shake off the excess flour and set aside until you make the rest. Now it's time to fry the chicken on a medium heat. The chicken has to be cooked inside. Now for the coleslaw. Add shredded and diced cabbage and shredded carrots into the bowl. And a little bit of milk. And a pinch of salt. Mayonnaise. Freshly ground black pepper. Vinegar. Sugar and freshly squeezed lemon juice. What can be better than homemade coleslaw and crispy crunchy fried chicken? And trust me in this one, after you make this, you would never step into KFC. This is absolutely delicious. And oh, if you're thinking inside might be raw, no, it's not raw inside. Because that is the reason we marinate the chicken. Because marination helps reduce the time of cooking. And it helps in tenderizing the chicken and makes it juicier. And prevents from drying out and chewing. Alrighty, so please like this video, comment, share this recipe with your loved ones, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.